With so many keyboards coming this year with OLEDs and OLEDs with knobs, why are we calling a keyboard with a knob without an OLED and in a plastic case as well as one of the most important keyboards that came out this year? Let me explain. So the Akko 5075s is Akko's newest full plastic gasket mounted 75% keyboard, which for me is always confusing because plastic cases tend to flex with plates, although not so much, but it still does. So in a way, for me, it's cheating. But I did do a video on the Akko ACR Pro and how I made it super flexy. But honestly, for the price, you really can't complain. So here we are, another day, another 75%. But why is this not just some random 75% that Akko has in its 4-digit lineup? Well, one word, VIA. Now, if you've been living under a rock for the last 1,000 years, VIA is a keyboard software that makes it easy to remap and bind keys and macros on your keyboard, making your keyboard that much more versatile. Oh, and you can do things like this. Oh, I didn't see you there. So, if you're wondering, this is one of the things I really like about VIA. So this is the Tiger 80 Lite, and I've programmed my print screen to be snipping tool, which is right here on this button. So when I press it, I could just instantly have the snipping tool open up, and I could just like send this to people in my chat, wherever that may be. So yeah, just a quick video, show you a shortcut of what you can do with VIA. Snipping tool supremacy! That's just one of the few things that you can do with VIA. But tell me guys, what are the types of shortcuts you guys would love to have on your keyboard? And for the veterans out there, what shortcuts would you recommend everyone that they have on their keyboards? That's a long request.
Thanks! Love you! Forever!
But yes, please do put your shortcuts. While you're down there in the comment section, click the subscribe button. It really helps the channel a lot. So yeah, back to it. Really, VIA is nothing new and has been around for a while now, but this board brings VIA to the budget market. Back in my day.
How many times do we have to teach you this lesson, old man?
I love the young people.
You had to have a really expensive keyboard to get VIA. Now, you can get it for as low as 50 or 60 USD. Depending on where you live. So enough about VIA. Let's talk about the actual board, the Akko 5075s. It's meant to be a budget option compared to Akko's Mod series or Monsgeek M1. But as of recording this video, the board only comes in Moonlight White or Dark Night, aka black. This board features south-facing sockets, and it needs little modding. You just need to fix the stabs a bit and you'll be good. The board has a PE foam sheet, which is great because now it's already pre-cut, so no need to cut it yourself. So you have more time typing on your board and less time modding your board, which personally I'm not a big fan of, but I think it's great for the community. So here's the sound test for you guys. The Akko 5075s with Akko pianos factory lubed. So in conclusion, this board is a great gateway keyboard for people wanting to get into the hobby. Yes, it's a plastic board, but for sure most people getting into the hobby, it's enough. It's a very important release because it's a marker of the current state of the market, which is getting more people who are looking in from the outside and finally step into the custom mechanical keyboard scene and get most of the bells and whistles of the custom keyboards, namely south-facing switches, PCB mount stabilizers, gasket mounted, and of course VIA compatibility, apart from the alu case. But for the price, you really can't complain. Anyway guys, till the next one. See you. You guys like the logo? Let me know.